Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make waffles the easy way. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups of milk, and 1/3 cup of melted butter. Don't forget your trusty waffle iron. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate, smaller bowl, lightly beat the 2 large eggs, then stir in the 1 1/2 cups of milk and the 1/3 cup of melted butter. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and stir gently until just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. It's time to cook. First, preheat your waffle iron to a medium setting for about 5 minutes. This ensures even cooking and a crispy exterior. Once hot, lightly grease the grids with cooking spray or a brush of melted butter to prevent sticking. Then, pour approximately 1/2 cup of your delicious batter onto the center of the hot iron, spreading it slightly if needed. Close the lid and let your waffle cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp. The exact time depends on your waffle iron. Once ready, carefully remove the cooked waffle using a non-metal utensil to avoid scratching the iron. Serve these warm, fluffy delights immediately with your favorite toppings, perhaps some fresh berries and maple syrup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.